Hello, everyone! Welcome, dear subscribers. Today, our lesson is about the alphabet, A to Z. Let's learn English letters together in a fun and easy way. Alphabet A to Z. A is for apple. B is for bicycle. C is for cake. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for guitar. H is for house. I is for iguana. J is for jump. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for milk. N is for ninja. O is for octopus. P is for pumpkin. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra. Great job! You are doing amazing! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because we may not see each other again.